Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks. Back at Sebastian's place. Look at there, man. Look like he goes skiing. Got his R-Type XC90. Hanging out with John's sedan. Oops. Had a mishap up here. We're going to have to fix that. Let me go see what Sebastian's got going on. Check out this 99 V70R. Man, this car is red. Red. With the black interior, V70R, and what do we have here? He done manual swapped the V70R. Time to go for a joyride. Here we are, folks. Sound performance. I don't know if I've ever seen so many Supras in one spot, but sound like they got a dyno in this mug. They're going to try to help me out with a V-band clamp. Let me go get my wallet. I'm going to need that. And see what these guys are up to. Sir, in Bensenville, Illinois. Right alongside of the airport, HOWR Airport. You got a place that is doing these Supras right. Sound performance. They do some other stuff too, but it's mostly Supra stuff. There you go. Some Nissan stuff. Another old Supra, probably twin turbo. Let me get out of here with my Volvo. Up there at the Supra Turbo shop, the Supra Performance shop, they said this ring is 3 inches. Even the brand new one I had. So it was the right size. It's just the outer edge of it was wider by like a 1/8 of an inch all the way around, which made it a 1/4 inch bigger. So it didn't quite match up to this one. So they swapped me a ring that's like perfect to my size. And it's, man, the inside of mine must be less than 3 inches. So anyway, but this one matches up perfect. Now the kit I had, this flange had a inset in there and a lip on the other one, so it interlocked to make it a quicker assembly, where this one would float because it doesn't have that. But again, my downpipe must not be true 3 inches on the inside. But anyway, the outer is what the clamps on, so this is going to work for us. We're going to tack this on the front of the cat and keep this train moving. The inside of mine is 2 7/8. The inside of this is 3 inches, but the outer ring is like perfect, so that's where I'm at. We're going to fly with this. In the process of pulling the 2.5 inch downpipe, put a 3 inch downpipe on this. I was a little bit concerned about the small looking tailpipe on this thing. I was thinking, dang, that tailpipe looks kind of small. Well, I came under the car to this clamp here to pull this clamp off. And somebody cut the pipe off going to the muffler. Instead of 2.5 inch, it looks like they got a 2 inch pipe. So I don't know how much good a 3 inch downpipe's going to do to this, but we got to do what we can. I can't believe that. I don't know what it is. Behind there it looks like 2 inch back there too. Wow. Gotta watch what people are doing to your cars, folks. Okay, party people, most of my day's been a bust with this exhaust thing. I mean, I've been running around like crazy. Anyway, we're going to kick off today, pull this dash pad off, and work on that cluster, try to figure out why the odometer quit working, and fix the lights in it. Because the lights down in the bottom don't work. Cut the lights on. And these lights down here in the clock's not working. The other ones across there are. Turn the ignition on, see if any warning lights not working. All the warning lights appear to work. And see what we got down here. One of these lights is out. And we got the radio we're going to replace in here. So the radio will work. We got a light bulb out there. That light works, but this one doesn't. So let's get to work on that. This light here doesn't work. This light doesn't work. This light doesn't work. And that light doesn't work. So the only one works is the info. Get these light bulbs working. First time I ever seen this. The large gear totally eaten away. Look at there. We got lights. We got mileage correction. Now we got to work on these other little lights around town here. Let's get with it. Next battle is some of this climate control stuff. I'm going to go ahead and flip this recycle switch. That recycle motor in there should kick on and make a move, but I don't think it is. Flip the switch, nothing. So I'm gonna replace that motor real quick. Turn this thing on, this motor immediately started moving. I just put it to fresh. I'm gonna hit it to recycle. I might have a climate control issue. It's only moving a little bit when I go recycle. I just went recycle there. Now I'm going to go back to fresh in about 10 seconds. Alright, it moved a little bit. Not sure if that's all it's supposed to move. I'm going to go back to recycle. Let me try another motor. Got another motor here. Let's cut the car on. See what happens. Man, that thing moved a lot. I'm gonna go fresh. That's still blinking trouble here. Let me wait till that quits blinking. Alright, it quit. Go to recycle. It's just nudging a little bit, but it's still moving. Ended the day messing with that climate control. Ran several tests, ended up finding that the actuator arm that opens the defrost, stuff like that, was actually seized, busted off, broken behind one of those blend door motors. So we're actually thinking about and considering replacing that whole blend door airbox assembly in that car, so I had to pull one of those out of the salvage yard. So that's where it kind of ended the day, messing with that, and picked up cranking on John's car again the next day. So stay tuned for tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.